Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the differences between a 401k and an IRA. If you're planning for retirement, this is a must-watch. Choosing the right retirement account can be confusing, but understanding the nuances of each option can make a significant difference in your long-term financial success. We'll break down the pros and cons of each so you can make the most informed decision for your future. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the 401k. The 401k is a retirement savings plan sponsored by your employer. It's one of the most common types of retirement plans available in the United States. Think of it like a big pot of money that you contribute to, and hopefully your employer does too. This pot of money grows over time through your contributions and the power of compound interest. Now, the money you put into a 401k is taken directly from your paycheck before taxes. That's right, before taxes. This means you don't have to worry about setting aside money manually. It's done automatically for you. This means you're essentially lowering your taxable income, which can lead to some sweet tax savings in the present. For example, if you earn $50,000 a year and contribute $5,000 to your 401k, you'll only be taxed on $45,000. Now, the money you contribute to your 401k is invested in a selection of investment options chosen by your employer. These options are designed to help your money grow over time. These typically include a range of mutual funds that invest in stocks, bonds, or a combination of both. Some plans may also offer target date funds, which automatically adjust the investment mix as you approach retirement. The idea is to grow your money over time so you have a nice nest egg when you retire. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compounding. One of the biggest advantages of a 401k is the potential for employer matching contributions. This is where your employer matches a portion of the money you contribute to your 401k. This is essentially free money that your employer puts into your account, up to a certain percentage of your salary. For example, if your employer offers a 50% match on contributions up to 6% of your salary, and you contribute 6%, your employer will add an additional 3%. Imagine getting a bonus just for saving for retirement. It's like a reward for being financially responsible. It's like your employer is giving you a raise, but instead of spending it, you're investing it for your future. This can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. However, there are some potential drawbacks to 401k plans. It's important to be aware of these so you can make informed decisions. One downside is that you're typically limited to the investment options offered by your employer. This means you might not have access to the full range of investment opportunities available in the market. This might not be a big deal if your employer offers a diverse range of funds, but it's something to consider if you're looking for more control over your investments. Some plans may offer a brokerage option, allowing you to invest in a wider array of securities. Another thing to keep in mind is that 401k plans often come with higher fees compared to other retirement accounts. These fees can include administrative fees, investment management fees, and individual service fees. These fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to compare the expense ratios of the funds offered in your plan. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. Now, let's talk about withdrawals. Understanding the rules around accessing your money is crucial. With a 401k, you generally can't withdraw your money without penalty before age 59 and a half. This is to encourage long-term saving and ensure you have funds available in retirement. If you do decide to withdraw early, you'll likely face a 10% penalty on top of your regular income taxes. This can significantly reduce the amount of money you receive. So it's best to think of your 401k as a long-term investment and avoid dipping into it before retirement. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it can grow. But hey, life happens, right? Sometimes you might need to access your funds earlier than planned. There are some exceptions to the early withdrawal penalty, such as if you become disabled or face certain financial hardships. These exceptions can provide some relief in difficult times. It's always a good idea to check with your plan administrator to understand the specific rules and regulations of your 401k. They can provide guidance on how to make the most of your plan. Overall, a 401k can be a fantastic way to save for retirement, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. This can significantly enhance your savings over time. Just be mindful of the potential drawbacks, like limited investment options and potentially higher fees. By understanding these aspects, you can make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of your 401k plan. Now let's move on to IRAs, or individual retirement accounts. These accounts are a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their retirement savings and secure their financial future. Unlike a 401k, which is tied to your employer, an IRA is something you set up on your own through a brokerage firm or financial institution. This independence allows you to tailor your retirement savings to your specific needs and goals. This gives you more flexibility and control over your investments. You can choose from a wide array of investment options, ensuring that your portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance and retirement objectives. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Each has its own set of rules and benefits, so it's important to understand the differences to make an informed decision. Let's break down the differences. Understanding these distinctions can help you choose the right IRA for your financial situation and retirement goals. With a traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax-deductible, meaning you could lower your taxable income in the present, just like with a 401k. This can be particularly beneficial if you're currently in a higher tax bracket. However, you'll have to pay taxes on the money you withdraw in retirement. This means that while you get a tax break now, you'll need to plan for the tax implications when you start taking distributions. On the other hand, a Roth IRA offers tax advantages on the back end. This can be a strategic choice if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire. You contribute after-tax dollars, meaning you don't get a tax deduction up front. This can be a bit of a sting now, but it pays off in the long run. But here's the kicker. When you retire and start taking distributions, your withdrawals are tax-free. This can provide significant tax savings during your retirement years. That's right. You won't owe a dime in taxes on the earnings you've accumulated over the years. This can make a substantial difference in your retirement income. So, which type of IRA is right for you? The answer depends on various factors, including your current tax situation, your expected tax rate in retirement, and your overall financial goals. Well, it depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. It's crucial to consider your long-term plans and how each type of IRA aligns with them. If you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a traditional IRA might make sense. This way you can take advantage of the tax deduction now and pay taxes at a lower rate later. But if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket later on, a Roth IRA could save you a significant amount in taxes down the road. This strategy can be particularly beneficial if you expect your income to increase over time. Now, let's talk about contribution limits. Understanding these limits is essential for maximizing your retirement savings. For both traditional and Roth IRAs, the annual contribution limit is $6,500 for 2023 or $7,500 if you're age 50 or older. These limits are set by the IRS and can change annually. These limits are significantly lower than the contribution limits for 401(k)s, which are $22,500 for 2023 or $30,000 if you're 50 or older. This difference can impact how much you can save each year. One of the biggest advantages of IRAs is the wide range of investment options available. This flexibility allows you to diversify your portfolio and potentially increase your returns. Unlike 401(k)s, where you're typically limited to a pre-selected menu of funds, with an IRA, you have the freedom to invest in a vast universe of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and even real estate. This can help you build a more robust and diversified retirement portfolio. Another benefit of IRAs is that they generally have lower fees compared to 401(k)s. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. This is because you're not limited to the investment options offered by your employer and can shop around for lower-cost funds. This can result in significant savings over the long term. However, there are some potential drawbacks to IRAs as well. It's important to be aware of these so you can make an informed decision. One downside is the lower contribution limits, which could limit your ability to save as much for retirement compared to a 401k. This means you may need to explore additional saving strategies to meet your retirement goals. Another thing to consider is that IRAs don't offer employer matching contributions. Employer matching can significantly boost your retirement savings, so not having this benefit means you'll need to compensate by saving more on your own. So you'll need to be more proactive about saving on your own. This requires discipline and a commitment to regularly contributing to your IRA. Overall, IRAs can be a great option for individuals who want more control over their retirement savings and access to a wider range of investment options. They offer flexibility, potential tax advantages, and the ability to tailor your investments to your specific needs. Just be aware of the lower contribution limits and the lack of employer matching contributions. By understanding these factors, you can make the most of your IRA and build a secure financial future. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video insightful and motivating. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey. Remember, choosing the right retirement account is a crucial step in securing your financial future. It's important to understand the benefits and limitations of each option. Whether you opt for a 401k, an IRA, or another retirement savings plan, or a combination of both, it's essential to stay informed and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. The most important thing is to start saving early and consistently. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. And the better prepared you'll be for a comfortable retirement. Planning ahead can make all the difference. See you next time.